Objectives list. When you get started, the page will be empty. You will need to enter your first objective to see something on this page. Enter an objective by clicking on the Create button at the top of the page. You will be routed to a new page where you can enter your objective. Enter the title of your objective. The title should be descriptive and specific. Think about a target or a goal that can be measured. Instead of saying, grow our social media presence, rather say, increase our social media followers on Facebook and Twitter. Select the responsible person from the drop-down menu. You will be able to see all the members of your current organization here. Select whether it is a team or individual objective. Select your department from the drop-down menu. Enter the date range, from start date to the end date. The date range is important to provide the time limit for your objective. Enter a description for the objective, to remind yourself in future the intent of the objective, but also for the other team members to help them understand the purpose of the objective. The description input can accept rich text. Feel free to format your text as required. Note that objectives are not private. All the team members will be able to view the objectives that you have entered. Submit the form. You will be immediately routed to a page where you can enter a key result to support that objective. The forms look similar at first, but this form is for entering the key result. Enter the title of the key result. Think of key results as little milestones to achieving your objective. Milestones you can measure and milestones that will have a direct influence on the objective. In our example, you can enter increase Twitter followers as a key result to support the objective. Select the unit of measurement from the drop-down menu. Select the responsible person from the drop-down menu. Select the unit of measurement from the drop-down menu. Select the frequency of measurement. Are you going to review this key result weekly, monthly, annually? Or is this a once-off measurement? Enter the unit of measurement. In our case, it is going to be followers. We will be measuring at given intervals how many followers we have in total. Enter the current value and the target value. We currently have 10 followers and would like to increase this number to 1,000 by the end of this objective. Enter the date ranges for the key result. Take special note of the range for your objective, as you will need to enter a range within the range you have already selected for your objective. Enter the detailed description of this key result. Similar to the objective description, you can format this input as required. Submit the form. You are now in the detailed objective page. You can see the details of the objectives here, and the key results at the bottom. You can click this button to enter more key results to support this objective. These are your progress bars. They are currently empty because we have not entered any reports for this objective. Reports will be required. As we perform tasks to meet our objective, we can report on the current progress. After some time, let us assume you have made some progress and improved on this key result. You can click on it to report on your progress. Click on the link under the title, or open the action drop-down at the end of the table and select the Update Metric option. You will now see this page, where you can report on your progress. To report on progress, click on the Update button at the top of the page. Enter the current value of the metric. Enter the explanation note to explain what you did and how you managed to achieve this result. Submit the form. You will now see the value updated here, and here on the chart. You can also enter a task for your key result. An example is, Say you would like to create a new Hootsuite account to help you schedule tweets on a daily basis to keep your social media posting consistent. You can enter this task to remind yourself, or assign it to a subordinate to complete. Think of tasks that will help you move this key result forward and enter them. To enter a task, click on the New Task button at the top of the page. Enter the responsible person for the task. Enter the title of the task. Enter the details of the task. Select a due date for the task. Submit the task. You will see the task at the bottom of the page and on the OKR task page. The individual who the task is assigned to will also see the task on their personal task board. You can also attach a document to support this key result, metrics, or tasks you are busy with. For example, you might want to attach this social media insights report to read later or for the benefit of your other team members to access. Simply click on the Attach Document button and select the document you want to attach. You can also download the key result report from this page, with all the information shown here in PDF format. Click on the Back button at the top of the page. You can now see the progress on the key result reflecting from the report that you just submitted. This is how far you have to go to achieve this key result. Click on the Go Back button. You are now back to the Objectives list page. You now have one objective shown here. From this page you can see 1. How many key results you have, 2. The status of your objective, 3. The start and end dates, 4. The department, 5. And the responsible person or owner. The Action button allows you to edit, view details, or delete the objective. You can repeat the process to enter more objectives.